Welcome back to Ifechi Health and Wellness. Today, we are going to look at the signs and symptoms of high blood pressure. In my last video, I discussed how to avoid high blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension is often called a silent killer because it usually does not cause noticeable symptoms until it becomes severe or leads to complications. However, when the symptoms do appear, they may include the following. So the common signs and symptoms are: 1. Headaches, usually in the morning and located at the back of the head. 2. Dizziness and lightheadedness. 3. Blurred vision or double vision. 4. Nosebleeds, not common but may occur in very high blood pressure. Shortness of breath. 6. Chest pain. 7. Fatigue or confusion. 8. Irregular heartbeat. 9. Blood in the urine in very severe cases. And number 10, pounding in the chest, neck, or ears. I have to say that all these 10 things I listed, like headaches, dizziness, lightheadedness, blood or double vision, nosebleeds, shortness of breath, chest pain, fatigue or confusion, irregular heartbeat, blood in the urine, which I said is mainly in very severe cases, and pounding in the chest, neck, or ears. These signs and symptoms can be similar to various other conditions. So it's always better to check things out. If you have not been forming the habit of checking your blood pressure regularly, I advise that you start doing so, especially as an adult. You must be checking your blood pressure regularly just to keep an eye on things. And if you have any of these 10 symptoms listed, you don't have to have all 10 of them. Maybe a few of the symptoms. It may well be that your blood pressure is not affected, but it's always advisable to check things out. Check your blood pressure. Very important, because as I said in the beginning, it's also referred to as silent killer. If when you are actually supposed to, if you have monitor at home and you're checking it, and if it's high, obviously see your doctor. But when to seek medical attention immediately is if someone experiences chest pain, severe headache, shortness of breath, or vision problem suddenly. Then it could be a sign of hypertensive crisis, which is a medical emergency, and you must see your doctor immediately. You see, these days we are so busy running around either our own lives or looking after our children, doing one thing or the other, and we forget that there are certain things that we need to keep an eye on. One of them is your blood pressure. Another one is your blood sugar. So make sure that you keep a regular eye on your blood pressure, because if your blood pressure is so high, it can lead to all sorts. It can damage a lot of things in your body. It can even lead to stroke, and this is something you really want to avoid. So it's a very short video just to tell you some of these common signs and symptoms. As I say, they may be the same for any other medical condition, but it will not do any harm to check it out to make sure that your blood pressure is under control. Very important. I'm going to stop this video here. Thank you for listening. I hope you have benefited from this. Goodbye and God bless.